left yesterday. Yeah.
At the steakhouse, Indian cuisine.
Trying to read us, yeah? Hello.
Go here. Hello. Mega McDonald's there too.
Where?
There.
Where?
Ahead.
There. Hello. That lady there. Russian 100% only. That's not copy, huh?
No.
And I take the eat at the other one, Jenny. More relaxed bite. Yes? I'm going to be bothered. Body piercing, you want one? Two down there? Either side?
We go there, Old Market.
Yeah, go there. Fixed price. Oh, you have to buy the fixed price. Hello.
Take a look.
That's a clever way of selling it more expensive.
Yes. Or we don't go.
It's going to be haggled there.
Yeah.
No? Yes? You can go right through. Come on.
Yeah, but we finished here.
Through here.
Okay.
Main Street.
It's France.
Go right there. That way. That way. Egyptian towel, Jenny.
evening.
Evening.
Half price here.
Yeah, no thank you.
Magnet?
No thank you.